Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on with my project for the One Sketch Challenge, which is hosted by Lisa over at Crafting Diva here on YouTube. I will pop a link in to Lisa's channel in my description box below. So once a month, at the beginning of the month, Lisa is holding the One Sketch Challenge, and this is the make for my challenge. I have made this card. So first of all, I have cut down a piece of craft card to 5 by 7 inches. I've then used some gorgeous papers from a sunflower collection paper pad and topper set that I got out of a Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine a little while. It's a gorgeous pad. So first of all, I have cut down this piece of paper and I popped two of the strips, one at the top and then one at the bottom. I have then taken this paper, sort of this lovely sunshine paper, and I've popped that onto the card as my background paper. Then I have cut myself these three pieces from this sheet from the set, and I've popped those up onto some foam pads. I've then taken one of the sentiments from the paper pad, You Brighten My Day, and then from my gem box I have taken these little sort of bronzy browny coloured little gems. So I've staggered them down into three in this corner, and I've done the same over here, and then these three and the three at the top there, the top right hand corner, I have set out slightly different. And then what I want to do, just to take sort of the bareness from the centre, I have taken my Crafty Curios ephemera flowers, and this is the booklet with some gorgeous flowers in there. So I've cut this pretty little rose, and what I am going to do is just pop that in to my centre like so. I'll just grab some glue and I pop that in. So I'm just going to pop my rose into the center. So here is my finished card, and this is my take on the One Sketch Challenge for the month of February, and this was the sketch here. So I've popped my two strips of paper at the top and the bottom, then I've popped my background paper and left a border around the four sides. I then popped my little squares across the bottom of the card. I have stuck a little sentiment, You Brighten My Day. I know there isn't one on the actual sketch, and then just to take a little bit of the bareness from the background paper, I've popped myself a lovely little rose in the centre, and then I have popped some lovely little gems on my four corners. And yeah, that is my make for the sketch challenge this month. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Don't forget to check out the other ladies who are taking part in the sketch challenge, and also Lisa's channel, which is Crafting Diva here on YouTube. Could I also ask if you would consider giving me a thumbs up and also leaving me a comment? I would really love to hear from you. And yeah, that is it for today. thanks ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.